Hello everybody and welcome to a chat from the engineering desk. So today we are going to have a look at some more lighting stuff. I've concluded my series on the rechargeable lamps. I think we pretty much exhausted that topic. So it's time to move onto some other items that I've lying around, which is this USB powered desk lamp bedside light type device. Now it powered off a little barrel jack like this, and you can fit 4 AAA's in the base to power it with. It's not rechargeable. You can power it off USB, off a PC or a power bank, and that's it firing up. 3 light levels. If you hold your finger on the base, it turns blue, which is very attractive. So we want to see what's inside. So let's get straight into it. Pull the rubber plugs out. Just like so. And I see we need a Phillips screwdriver. So let's bring in one of those and take it apart. Just going to pop those screws into the lid of my screwdriver set. Where we can find them in the future for reassembly. They are tiny, so it's prudent to pay attention to where one puts them. Not a place where you can knock them and send them flying. So here we go, here it is. The battery compartment, the translucent base, and the business end of it. So swamp out the camera. That's the blue LEDs. In the base over there. Blue LEDs over there. So let's pull that out. Because now we want to see if those ICs have some numbers on them, don't we? So, time for the microscope device. Let's bring the microscope in and see what it says. Yeah. Unfortunately, secrets only. That's a transistor. Another one over there. I think they're all the same. So that's your current limiting for the LEDs. That's the long and the short of what's going on here. 1 2s. Right. Let's switch back to the other view. So over here, power goes up to the to this part of it, which I see contains a spring over there. And over here we have this let's see if we can get it apart. The reason I'm not very sentimental about these lamps is the fact that they're not rechargeable, and the other thing is that they don't have switch mode control of the LED current. So I'm not too bothered about what I'm doing here, which may be irreparable. And so these are LEDs over there. Okay. Simple little LED panel, and they've welded the stakes down with heat to retain that. And that's a little LED panel. I don't think it is even, it's just a little PC board. It's not even a chip on backplane type device. This was sort of this falls into the sort of cheap and cheerful category of devices. Battery holder, and then over here, held on with a screw, is the barrel connector. Now potentially it can be hacked, because that the blue glow that one gets when the base is illuminated, is actually very attractive. So I think that keeping the that feature of it alive, for the sake of that, it's not a bad idea. I noticed that this runs quite hot, this part over here. So there you have it, and that was that. I've got some others which have got rechargeable batteries in them. They're USB charged. They take a proper micro USB cable and can thus be charged, and I noticed that they got proper switch mode current control for the LEDs, so they're the ones to buy. I think in our local stores they market it as HomeQuip, and they're rather nice. This one, which looks the same, besides this base and the blue LEDs, is actually not really worth having. I bought these in error. They looked the same, and then found out I had done wrong. So that has gone into the pile of disassembled items. I don't use them because of the features that I dislike. And that concludes our little talk on this. Sorry I couldn't talk more about the electronics. This is once again in the category of very cheap lighting equipment from the home store. Got to be careful what you buy. It can be hacked. The enclosure is alright. It's nice enough. It's just the electronics that's a disappointment. So, those of you that found it interesting, thanks for being here and watching it till the end. And ladies and gentlemen, have an awesome day further. I'll be seeing you for more. Take care and goodbye.